Hi everyone. My name is Yuula and I am an artist and filmmaker in Toronto. I am also an Israeli citizen. I left Israel 23 years ago and I've been living in Canada ever since. Last week, I submitted an application to renounce my Israeli citizenship in the consulate here in Toronto.
Seorang artis wanita asal Israel resmi melepaskan status kewarganegaraannya akibat tak setuju dengan agresi Israel di Gaza. Keputusan ini diambil meski dia harus kehilangan pengakuan dari keluarga dan kerabat dekatnya di Israel. Wanita tersebut bernama Yuula Benivolski. Ia merupakan sosok pembuat film Israel-Kanada yang berbasis di Toronto. Setelah melepaskan kewarganegaraan Israel, ia hanya memiliki kewarganegaraan tunggal yakni Kanada. Keputusannya mencabut status kewarganegaraan memberikan dampak yang begitu besar bagi hidupnya, di mana ia tidak lagi bisa mengunjungi tempat di mana dia telah dibesarkan serta akan dipisahkan dari keluarga dan kerabat dekatnya. Meski begitu, ia mengaku tidak menyesal setelah mengambil keputusan ini. Dalam video yang dia unggah di akun Instagram pribadinya, Yuula mengatakan perang dan kematian cenderung merugikan warga Israel. Namun pemerintah Israel tidak mau tahu karena ketidakadilan yang terjadi di sana. Di akhir videonya, dia berharap bisa menyampaikan pesan kepada orang-orang yang berada di posisi seperti dia untuk melakukan hal yang sama.
Here's my Israeli passport. Here's my Israeli ID. And Army exemption card. I didn't serve in the army. Last week, I submitted an application to renounce my Israeli citizenship in the consulate here in Toronto. I haven't considered myself an Israeli citizen or even Israeli for so long that I'm actually surprised that it took me this many years to get to this point, and I was a little bit embarrassed. But I think I know why it took me so long. Israel spends so much time and money inciting its own people against each other, family members, friends, neighbors. This decision is going to affect my life, my ability to visit the place where I grew up. It's going to affect my relationship with my family, my relationships with the people closest to me, not just there, but here in Canada. Yes, I did it in response to Israel's horrific assault on Gaza. And throughout all of that, the people I met were nothing but kind to me. And when I crossed the border back to Israel, and I watched the news, they were talking about the same people who were feeding me and helping me find my way as irrational, heartless animals that want to kill me.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.